You can get hundreds of content ideas within minutes, not generic ones, but what's actually valuable to your audience. Most creators spend hours trying to come up with content ideas, but there is a goldmine sitting right in front of you: Reddit. Every single day, people are asking questions and having real conversation about topics in your niche. These are proven topics that people actually care about. But here is where it gets interesting. What if you could automatically pull these discussions, turn them into videos, and post them to Instagram all on autopilot? Here is how it works. You just type a topic, the automation scrape the hardest questions and answers from that subreddit, analyze them with AI, and adds the most relevant ones to the Google Sheet. You pick the one you want, GPT generates a complete video script, then a video is created and posted to Instagram automatically. Now let's build it using Make. So guys, we have two automation workflows for this purpose. That is on make.com, as I said. So this is the first one. What it will do, it will get the topic from the Google Sheet, which is our database, and it will list all the comments, that is the question and answers in a subreddit, and we will scrape all the related data of that particular subreddit using API scrapers, and we will analyze the question and answers using a GPT module here, and finally we will push them into the Google Sheet, which is the primary responsibility of this first scenario, and the second one is purely for the script and video generation. The first route will go for the JSON to video script generation and posting to LinkedIn, and the second route is for script generation for the Heygen avatar video generation, and converting and uploading to the Instagram. So that's it. And by the way, this is our sheet. So here you can add the niches. B2B sales I'm going to demonstrate today. If your niche is e-commerce, you can add that topic here. If you're into AI and automation, you can give that topic here under category. And here is our data sheet. So the subreddit will list all the comments by when you run the first scenario, and GPT will analyze it, and it will post the question to the column A and the answer, the analyzed and formatted answer for that particular question in column B. Here we have a feature in column C, that is approved column. You can see once the GPT analyzed the content and posted by the automation to this particular Google Sheet, you can come over here, you can simply go to each question and answer, and you can choose here, then that is an approved content, then it will go to the second scenario here, and it will generate the content and upload it to the Instagram. So that is the overall idea. So if you go to the B2B sales in Reddit, here you can see, then you'll get into this page. Here you can see a lot of questions and answers. So the people who really concerned about this B2B sales, they are asking very relevant question only in this under this subreddit, and the experts or the similar thinking people only comment. So the answers will be there, the very relevant answers will be there. So we are scraping these questions and answers for our content. So here we have B2B sales here. We are fetching it here. We are listing that particular content here. We are fetching that particular topic here using the Google Sheets search raw module. And then we are using the Reddit's list comments in a subreddit module. From the app list, here you can see you have to add the connection and mapping the subreddit topic. And we are choosing the sort as hot. Here we have different other options. I'm just choosing the hot. We want hot topics. So here we set the limit as 10. So it will list 10 questions, and we'll get only one comment for each question here. So that's why we are going with the API actors, API scrapers here. So here you can see we are running the Reddit scraper here. You can see when I go to this API, you have to sign up to API, and you can simply search Reddit scraper. Yeah, Reddit scraper. Let me see. Yeah, this is the one I'm using. You can simply go to it. Here you can see, and also you can try it here for free. And this is the one we have integrated here. All the instructions you can see here. So we have connected with this particular account on make.com. Here you can see, and then we have choose the same actor only here, and this is the body. If you want to see, we are adding the URL here, that is from the first Reddit module, and you can set up the JSON body like this. That's it about it. And once the scraping completed, we will get the data set here. We have simply mapped the data set ID here from the previous module, and the other settings you can follow the same. And that's it. Now we are collecting the question here and its comments, I mean the answers here for that particular question. Finally, we are passing all together to GPT. So to get a proper question and its proper answer, GPT is analyzing all the comments and picking the correct answer from it. Here you can see we are passing the question and all the comments here, and GPT is analyzing and transforming to a proper question and a proper answer, picking a proper answer from it, and converting it to the required format and pushing to the Google Sheet. Here you can see we are updating as an array. It's a bulk update because we have multiple question and answers. To save operation, we are going with Google Sheets bulk update module here. So that's it. And here is just an error handling route in case if GPT module encounters any errors, it will again process through this route. That's it. And here finally we are updating to the sheet. Here you can see in the sheet 1 session, here is the post, it's a question and it's the answer. So GPT is simply analyzing and formatting it. It's not generating any answers, so it is not a AI generated content. GPT is just formatting it, that's all. And once you upload it, it will trigger the second scenario. We are generating two type of videos. One is a picture based animation video, and the second one is an avatar video that is generated by Heygen. So let's go through the first route. It is for the first type of video generation using JSON to video. For the JSON to video, we have to create a script in a particular format. Here you can see we are passing the entire prompt here, and here we are passing the output format in the JSON format. Video title, BGM, prompt, segments, everything. All these parameters will be generated by GPT. And here we are simply passing the post and comments that is from this Google Sheet, which one we have approved. And yeah, that's it. All this the response format is JSON object. We need it in JSON format and pass JSON. Yep, all this you can keep as it is as the default values. And now again we are generating the description and tags for the video that need to be posted to Instagram. And here we are formatting it into a proper format that is acceptable for JSON to video using iterator and aggregator. You can see here this is the structure we are following. So that's it. So finally we are creating the video using JSON to video service. So here you can see you have to add the connection first using clicking here, and you have to enter the API key that you will get from the JSON to video account. So that's it. I already added the connection. So here we want the desired video in a 1080 and 9020. So I'm choosing that vertical one because it's for Instagram. And the template ID, that the template that I have set up in JSON to video, you have to enter here. And the scenes that we have generated using GPT and aggregated and created an array here that is simply passing here. And the voice ID we are giving, and the background audio also we are passing, that is from our Google Drive we have stored it. So that's it. And this module will wait until the video generation has been completed. So once it is done, we are converting to the required format to be posted in Instagram. That is, we are simply passing the final video URL here, and the format as the output format as MP3, and setting the file name as well. So that's it. Now finally we are posting to the Instagram using create a reel post module. We are passing the URL and the page we have to choose after adding the connection. And again we are adding the caption here. You can see this is GPT generated caption, and hashtags we are simply passing. So that's it. Now let's explore the route 2. Here you can see it's for the Heygen video generation. And by the way, if you want to know more about the JSON to video structures and all, then you can simply go to the JSON to video documentation. Under API endpoints there is movies. Here you can see the details of this particular create new movie endpoint. This is the sample body as well here, and all the acceptable values for each parameter you can see here. So that's it. Now let me go through the second route. Here we are using another GPT module because we need the script in a different format for Heygen. So we are passing the input question and answers here. and we are giving the instruction to generate the prompt in a way that is suitable for the avatar video. Here you can see, and here we are using create an avatar module of Heygen. So I'm not going to explain in detail the Heygen setup here because we have done a similar video before. So I'll add the link in the I button. You can watch that. So here we are choosing the type as avatar, and I already set up one avatar there in my Heygen account. So I have choose here that, and avatar scale as 1, and that's it, nothing much. And the voice setup we are doing here, the voice type as text, and voice ID is Arman that I'm choosing. Here you can see the list, you can pick it from there, and that's it. And the input text we are passing, and then voice speed is 1. Actually it can be from 0.5 to 1.5 we can have. So that's it. And the final width, the output video width is 1280 and 720. So that's it. Here we are adding a 5-minute sleep. So the scenario will wait for 5 minutes until this video gets generated. Typically it will take 3 to 5 minutes to complete a video of this much length. So finally we are downloading the generated video using get a video module of Heygen. And again you are using the cloud convert to convert the file type of the video and uploading to the Instagram page. So this is the overall idea of these two automations. So let me delete everything here. Okay, now let's run the automation. So here in this sheet we have B2B sales as category. So let's run one by one. So let's run the first scenario. Yep, we got it here, B2B sales, and it's, since we set the limit as 10, should get 10 items here. You can see we got 10 questions under this subreddit B2B sales. Now the AP5 actor is running. Yep, we got the result from the scraper. Now GPT analyzing it. Let's wait for some time to complete the run to scrape every questions and its comments and analyze everything and generate the question answer pair. So guys, here you can see it's completed for all the 10 questions and its answers, and it's pushed to the sheet. Let's check the sheet. Yep, here you can see we got the total 10 questions and its answers. Now it's ready for the review and approval. So let me go through one by one. Okay, let me see what can I choose. Okay, so let us go with this question. Where is the role of sales development representatives headed, especially in the light of events like Salesforce firing their entire SDI team, and how does AI and tooling impact this future? Okay, so this is the question and this is its answer. This is the thread for the video. Let me choose this. Before that, let me turn it on. Okay, it's on only. Okay, let's make it ready. Yep. Now let me trigger. Let's go here and wait and see. Yeah, here you can see it's got triggered. It's proceeding through the route 1, setting up the script and generating the tags, description, and it's triggered the JSON2 video, started action for video generation. Now we have to wait until the video generation gets over. It may take few minutes. So here you can see guys, the movie got rendered and it's converted to the required format using Cloud Convert. Now it's being updated to the Instagram. Let's wait and see the result on Instagram. Yep, that's it. Now let's see the result on Instagram. Let me go to Instagram. Let me refresh and see.
Just fired their entire SDR team, raising big questions about the future of sales development roles. Industry pressure and private equity are driving companies to cut costs, while AI automation is sweeping into the SDR space. AI outreach still lacks the personal touch and precision of skilled human SDR.
Okay, now it is going through the second route. So it started generating the video using Heygen. It's initiated already, and now we have to wait for 5 minutes, or before that it will get generated hopefully. So here you can see, guys, we got the video here. So this is the URL. So now we have converted using the cloud convert. Now it's posting to the Instagram. Let's wait and see. Yep, that's it. It's got posted and we got the post ID. Now let's see and see. Let me refresh. Yep, this is the latest video. It's posted just now.
Thing we received. Here's the question. Where is the role of sales development representatives, SDRs, headed, especially in light of events like SalesLoft firing their entire SDR team? And how does AI and tooling
So that's how the video goes. I hope you find it very helpful. So that's it. With this automation, you can create valuable content without any effort. Follow for more AI automation videos.